Okay, hello everybody. My name is Sebastian Gos and I'm from HP. I'm programmer and designer in FGD Poland in Warsaw. And we have a small Drupal team since about 6 months. I will talk some about Twig in Drupal 8 and why Drupal 8 is Twig. Okay, so to start, what is Twig? Okay, so here is the answer. Here is the answer for this question. Twig is a template framework which was developed by Sensio Labs, who also developed the Symfony 2 framework. So maybe it is logic to that the Symfony use Twig, but it also can use other frameworks for templates. So yeah. Twig is, as you can see, the flexible, fast, and secure. And I will tell more later when I will about Twig when I will show you how it really works in Drupal 8. So Twig is as I said, is a template engine framework. So it is only a code, yeah. No, nothing more. So maybe let's talk some about the syntax. So this is the easiest example of the syntax. It's a print variable syntax. So as you can see, we use brackets, which looks like mustaches. Here is an example of functions. So here is a if declaration, which will print variable if foo exists. And here is an example of the loops. So as you can see, here is a loop which will display usernames of Drupal camp community. So as you can see, here is for, and this where for is ends. And of course, we use Twig with HTML tags. So you can see here is HTML tags for a list style. Okay, and what else? Why Drupal 8 use Twig? Why? So maybe have a look at how it looks in Drupal 7. So in Drupal 7 it looks like this. Cool. I don't know what is going on. As you can see, it's a devil source. I borrowed this slides from another presentation, but I really like it. And what else? You know, div killers, yeah. I love this structure. Really, it's easy to develop and to maintain. So yeah, this is how we don't want to do it. This is bad. This is really bad. And what else I would like to say? Maybe real example. Maybe it will not have so many divs inside this, but really, but it will have this structure. And the first example will be not long to look through. Maybe just Drupal.org. Sorry. I don't know how to switch it. Okay. So yeah, we have a Drupal, and as you can see on this side, and we would like to, you know, change change this colors, and we would like to know where is it. Just take a look how it looked on the Drupal. Yeah. Be pure, be pure, be pure, be pure, be pure, be pure. Oh, here is a typo. Be pure. Okay, we have it. So as you can see, yeah, this is horrible for front-end developers, really. It's a nightmare for front-end developers. Okay, so switch to the presentation. Oh, come on. Oh, no. Jesus. Sorry. I will do it quicker. Yeah. So I don't know how to start from right slideshow. Okay, so we are here. So yeah, Drupal 7 is a really nightmare for front-end developers, and when you are looking at the div structure. So why Drupal 8 will use Twig? Why it use Twig? So let's tell it. The first thing is syntax. In Drupal 7, we have this Drupal, what the fuck, where the fuck is my data? Yeah? How many times you were using this? And you don't know what is my data, you have to look through the documentation or print DPM by default to see what's going on. Okay, so in Drupal 8, where you will use Twig, we'll just drill to the data. Yeah. So for example, you will use node.body, for example. Yeah, it will be easier. Twig is fast. Yesterday, our friends from Symfony 2 framework trainers were talking about this, that Twig compile its file to the PHP templates, yeah, to the PHP code. But you have to remember that this code is optimized. It's as many people in these days tell about this, that the more is less. So when you will write good code in Twig, you will have great templates which will be in PHP later. Yeah. So learn Twig. Next, complexity. I used previously this image, but look how it was looking in Drupal 7 and how it looks in Drupal 8. It's easier, really. For me, it's easier to look at this and tell you something about this and tell some other programmers how it works than giving them this image and have a fun, yeah? Okay, what else? Redundancy. In Drupal 7, we have a lot of code which is duplicated in many TPL files. So, for example, as you can see, here is a div ID declaration where you need to print node need, print classes, print attributes, and this code is duplicated in, for example, in normal Node, in views TPLs, in some blocks, you always use the same code. What you have to do in the Twig, just this, just extend file. Sorry, not file, but extend Node HTML Twig file, which will give you ability to use this all Node data in your new templates Twig files. Okay, so what else? Security. How many times you were using DB queries in templates? Not so many, but believe me, I saw function declarations in TPL files. I saw data changing functions in TPL files. So as you can see, here is maybe not a good example, because I hope you didn't saw this in template files. But yeah, many people don't know. They don't know really how Drupal works, and they use functions inside the TPL files. So to tell something about Twig in the secure topic, you have two things. First is that when you will declare auto escape, your variable won't be escaped. And the second thing is that you can work in the sandbox mode. Yeah, so this is really cool feature. So what next? Twig in Drupal 8. Okay, so I will now show you some example how really Twig works. Okay, this is my picture of Drupal for Twig. And okay, let's start. So at the beginning, debug. What it will give you. Okay, we are here. The first thing you should do is to go to your Drupal 8 root directory. So let's go to the Drupal 8. It's not this. Yeah, and you should go to the sites, default, and open services YAML. Okay, so in this file, of course for developing, don't do it on the production server. Change the debug mode to the true. And what else? And false for cache. Okay, and I will save it. Okay, and I will go for my Drupal site. Okay, so here is a clear installation of Drupal 8. I will clear cache. Okay, come on. Okay, so cache is clearing. Let's go to the front page. And from this moment, you will see that every time you were looking where the part is this code, for example, where it is in the files. Okay, so when you will enable the debug mode, you will be able to see where is the template files and where you can edit it and where you can theme it. So as you can see, for every region, for every block, you have information where is the file which is the template file of this section, of this block, of this region, for example. So this is how the bug works. Okay, so next should be theme options. Okay, so have a look how the theme options looks. So here is a info YML file where you can declare the standard information, which was in Drupal 7 just in info file. So as you can see, you can declare here name, type, and everything looks really close to the Drupal 7 info file. Here are some regions, settings, versions. What else? There is a libraries file which define CSS, which can also define jQuery libraries. And here is a breakpoints file where you can declare the breakpoints for example, for templates for mobile devices. Okay, so the last example will show you how really Twig works. We'll show some syntax from the Twig, and I will show it right now. So as you can see, we have this all info and the rest of the files from template, and this is right here in the themes folder. So just go inside, and okay, we have this bunch of files, and now I would like to enable my my template. So I will just go to the themes and set as default my theme. Okay. So in this moment it should change. Okay. Yeah, we've got my template. It's horrible. Yeah, but it's only for example. Okay, so have a look at the article which I added previously. It's standard article with title, with body, with tags, and with comments. Okay, so I would like to change this tags from standard list to section with spans and maybe with some classes. So I will redesign my field tag Twig file, and standard field taxonomy term reference HTML Twig file looks like this. And as you can see, here is a div, here is a title for this div, for this section, for text. Here is the list, and I don't like lists, so I would like to change it. Okay, so maybe let's change it, as I said, to the section and to the spans. Okay, so I will do it right now. it the simplest way as you can. So deleting all this Drupal stuff will help us really. And what is cool in this, that you can disable all Drupal CSS file styles. What else? You can just delete all the structure and create your own structure. So Drupal will never add his additional styles, classes, IDs to your template. Okay, so let's do it. Section will be right here. Okay, maybe it will be faster when I will use my example from other file. I'm writing it right now. Okay, so I will do it just like this. And okay, I will tell what I did in the code. So I changed the main. Okay, maybe just also delete this. Delete also this div, because I don't like it. Okay. So what I've done, I delete this. I add the section. What else? I deleted the list style, and I add a span with classes, with tag first class, with italic, with tag last class. What is interesting that using Twig you're able to select the first element of the loop and add it some class. Also, you can select last element of the loop, and of course you can select the index. So you can select every element you would like to select. And as you can see, here is a for through the term items, and then we've got the if with loop, and as with parameters with arguments I was talking previously. Okay, and then we display the item using these mustaches, as I said, as I call it. So okay, so have a look how it will look in this moment after these changes. Okay, as you can see, I will show it one more time. These tags are being outputted from this file, which we are editing in this moment, and it is, as I said, this is the list style. You can see there's UL or the LE. Okay, so in this moment I will save this file. Okay, save. And what I will do, I will of course clear the cache. I love these t-shirts with keep calm, clear the cache. Yeah. Every time my clients or my friends are in panic, oh, this don't work. I don't know what I have to do. This module don't work. I said, keep calm and clear the cache. Okay, so what will happen? Let's refresh this. Okay. Our tags change into the new structure. So yeah, we've got a section with class terms. We don't have this tags title, which I deleted. What's more, we've got the spans with classes, which I added. As you can see, here is a tag first, italic for the second index, and tag last class for the last. I previously had some styles for this, of course, but it shows you that Twig really works, that it is really easy to use Twig functions and Twig loops. Okay, so let's switch to the presentation.
Can I ask a quick question about that?
Yeah.
If you can go back to the last example, can you show me where you're using delta in? You're saying for delta item in items.
Yeah.
I don't see delta used anywhere.
Yeah, I don't use it.
But if you did, is it also looping through items, or is it its own variable?
No, when you will use delta in previously layout, you can use it, for example, to show, maybe not show, to add delta to the delta parameter to the classes, for example.
Okay.
To the class's name. Yeah. Understand?
Right. No, I'd have to see another example.
No, previously before I edited.
Okay.
There was some layout with where delta was used by the layout.
Understood. Thank you.
Yeah, it was in the, I don't remember, but it was somewhere in the CS, not CSS, but in the classes of some elements in HTML. Okay, so let's switch back to the presentation. Okay. Where is my magic? Maybe this. Okay, so here was a quick example, and to sum up this whole things about Twig and Drupal, as you can see, Drupal have about 55 templates and 145 functions. In the Drupal 8, when we use Twig, we will try, or Drupal developers, Drupal 8 developers, are trying to rotate this structure, these numbers, and in this moment we have about 150 templates and 21 functions. But oh, sorry, this is a bug in this presentation. This should be right here. So yeah, sorry. So maybe I will edit it quick. Yeah. Okay, so the goal for the RC1 release candidate first is to have no functions in Drupal 8. Okay, so sources and links. Two first links really helpful. First is about Twig, documentation, how to start with Twig, many things about syntax. Second is a Drupal Twig org, which will tell you what is done, what we need to do to have all Twig features in release candidate and in Drupal 8. Here is a link for Drupal org with Twig and Drupal standards of coding. And here is a really great presentation from DrupalCon in Amsterdam from Morten DK about Drupal 8 theming system. I really recommend you to see it. And here's some trainings which I used to make this presentation look better. Okay, and this is all. Thank you.